Hi there, students. Dispassionate, an adjective, and dispassionately, its corresponding adverb. Okay, dispassionate means not showing or not affected by emotion or bias or prejudice. So not affected by our feelings, impartial. He made a dispassionate decision, a decision not affected by how he felt about different things in the decision. So to be dispassionate is to look at something, coldly weigh up the pros and cons, and then decide which is best without letting your feelings or emotions interfere in your decision. I think in reality, it's impossible for human beings to be dispassionate. Only a computer program can be dispassionate because the computer has no emotions. So if somebody is dispassionate, they are being completely objective. Now, notice you could also speak in a dispassionate voice. Cool, calm, unemotional and serene. So now you're going to ask, what's the difference between nonchalant and dispassionate? Well, in some areas they overlap. It's when you're being cool and calm and unemotional about something. So if you're nonchalant, you treat something as not important. It doesn't stress you. It doesn't worry you. But notice it's possible to be nonchalant but not to be dispassionate. The murderer was nonchalant about killing the family in cold blood. Yeah, it's nothing. But maybe he wasn't dispassionate. Yeah, maybe a psychopath. I'm wondering if a psychopath can be dispassionate. I don't think they can. I think it is the definition of a psychopath without feeling emotions about things. Okay, so if you're nonchalant, you treat something as unimportant. If you're dispassionate, you're being independent, fair, free from bias or prejudice, or unemotional and cool about it, but thinking about it without emotions. So when you're personally involved in things, it's very difficult to make dispassionate decisions. So unemotional, objective, calm, unfazed, fair, unbiased, unprejudiced, neutral, non-emotional. Normally, dispassionate analysis of situation leads to you taking the best course of action. It's best to look dispassionately at situations you cannot change, because if you get emotional about it, you get upset, but you still can't change it. Maybe the British character is more dispassionate than the Mediterranean character. But then again, maybe the inability to be totally dispassionate is what makes us human beings. So, next question, what about the formality of dispassionate? I'd say 6.5 to 7.5. It sounds quite a literary word. I don't think you should use dispassionate in an informal conversation. You might, but I would say not to be affected by, to be unaffected by, to be neutral, to be unemotional. I think those sound better informally. Use dispassionate semi-formally and formally. It's the perfect place to use it. So next question, the origin. Well, dispassionate, dis not un, and passionale, Latin, to be affected by passion. So, dispassionate, without emotion. Okay, so dispassionate, without bias, without prejudice, without letting your feelings influence you. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Maybe dispassionately, maybe not. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dispassionate, dispassionately.